Goodbye, dear students. Goodbye, dear students. It's time to part. Our time together has come to an end. But memories of laughter and learning will start and stay with us forever until the very end. You have grown so much, both tall and wise, from curious minds to young adults so bright. And though it's hard to say our final goodbyes, I'm proud of all that you have accomplished with might. So go forth and chase your dreams with all your heart, and never forget the lessons that we have shared. For the bonds we have formed will always play a part in shaping the person that you will become. Be prepared. So goodbye, my students, and farewell. May the world be kind and always treat you well.